And I'm Neve.
And you've tuned in to Fuzzy Logic Cares. People all over the world have to stay at home because of the coronavirus. That means adults can't go to work and children, like us, can't go to school.
We hear a lot about frontline workers like doctors and nurses who help other people.
But did you know the people delivering our post are frontline workers too? They deliver important messages and supplies so that we don't have to go out. So when you think about it, they're heroes too.
Even though you have to stay at home, there are things you can do to help. Saying thank you is one way you can help frontline workers to do their difficult jobs.
We wanted to thank our postman and delivery people, so we made this thank you sign for our front door. Why don't you do the same?
We also left out hand sanitizer, and it's a good idea to ask an adult to help you clean the doorbell and postbox.
Let's join Eve in the Fuzzy Logic Lab, where we'll show you how to make some DIY hand sanitizer.
Ask an adult to help you with this recipe. For the hand sanitizer, you will need a quarter cup of aloe vera gel, 3 tablespoons of witch hazel, 5 drops of tea tree oil, and 5 drops of lavender oil. You can mix it all together and put it in a clean soap dispenser. Some people might be allergic, so remember to write down all the ingredients on a label. To make a household cleaner, you replace the aloe vera with water and put it in a spray bottle. Remember, like Dr. Seuss said, unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better. No, it's not. So get caring and cheering, and remember to wash your hands.